Your body is like a construction site operating 24/7, except there are no lunch breaks and no one shouting, "Shift's over." Every day, billions of biological reactions take place to keep you alive, thinking, moving, and even scrolling on your phone. To make all of that possible, your body relies on a diverse team of nutrients: protein to build and repair, fats to protect and provide energy, vitamins and minerals to regulate chemical reactions, carbohydrates as fuel, water to keep everything running smoothly, and fiber and antioxidants to clean up the internal mess. Understanding how these nutrients work is the first step toward understanding how your body truly lives and functions every single day. Protein, the body's construction workers. If your body were a city constantly in motion, protein would be the construction crew working around the clock without ever going on strike. From muscles, skin, and hair to the enzymes that help you digest food, nearly everything is built from protein. Every cell in the body contains protein, which is why it can be considered one of the most important nutrients for life. When you eat protein-rich foods such as chicken, salmon, eggs, Greek yogurt, lean beef, tofu, lentils, chickpeas, almonds, or even the protein powders popular among gym enthusiasts, your body does not use them immediately. Instead, the digestive system breaks protein down into smaller units called amino acids. You can think of them as biological Lego pieces that the body can assemble into whatever structure it needs. There are 20 different amino acids in total, and 9 of them are known as essential amino acids, meaning the body cannot produce them on its own and must obtain them from food. Without them, the body begins to struggle. Muscles weaken, the immune system becomes less effective at fighting disease, and recovery after physical activity slows down. That's why after a workout, when your muscles feel sore, protein quickly goes to work repairing the microscopic damage in muscle fibers, much like an emergency repair crew fixing cracks in a road. But protein does far more than build muscle. It also forms enzymes, molecules that act as catalysts for thousands of chemical reactions in the body, including breaking down food to release energy. Protein also forms hormones, chemical messengers that regulate mood, metabolism, and many other functions. Even your immune system relies on protein to create antibodies, the biological soldiers that identify and destroy invading bacteria and viruses. Another critical role of protein is transporting oxygen in the bloodstream. Hemoglobin, the molecule inside red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to every cell, is itself a complex protein. Without protein, this transport system would fail, and cells would quickly run out of energy. Not all protein sources are the same. Foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy are considered complete proteins because they contain all essential amino acids. Plant-based sources such as beans, seeds, grains, or quinoa sometimes lack one or two of these amino acids, which is why they are often combined with other foods to create a complete protein source. Regardless of where it comes from, protein remains one of the fundamental building blocks of life, a silent workforce constantly constructing and maintaining your body every minute of every day. Fats, the most misunderstood source of energy. For many years, especially during the 1990s, fats were portrayed as the villain of nutrition. Supermarkets are filled with low-fat products, and many people believe that avoiding fat is the key to staying healthy. But biology tells a completely different story. Your body cannot survive without fat. Fat is the most energy-dense fuel the body can use, providing more than twice the calories per gram compared to carbohydrates or protein. This makes it an extremely efficient form of stored energy when the body needs long-term reserves. In fact, your brain, the organ responsible for every thought and emotion, is made up of nearly 60% fat. In a way, having a fat-filled head is actually a biological advantage. But fat does much more than provide energy. Every cell in your body is surrounded by a membrane made largely of lipids, acting like a controlled gateway. This membrane determines which substances can enter the cell and which are kept out, allowing the cell to maintain a stable internal environment. Fat also serves as a protective cushion for vital organs, such as the kidneys, liver, and heart. You can imagine it as a kind of biological bubble wrap that protects internal organs from physical impact when you move. In addition, several important vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble. This means that without fat in your meals, your body may struggle to absorb these vitamins, even if you eat plenty of vegetables. Fat also plays a direct role in hormone production, including reproductive hormones and hormones that regulate metabolism. In other words, fat doesn't just help you survive, it helps maintain hormonal balance and normal biological function. However, not all fats are the same. Healthy fats typically come from natural foods such as avocados, olive oil, nuts like almonds and walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, and even dark chocolate. These fats can support heart health and help reduce inflammation in the body. In contrast, trans fats, commonly found in processed foods, fast food frying oils, and industrial baked goods, tend to harm the cardiovascular system and increase the risk of chronic disease. So the real question is not whether you should eat fat or avoid it entirely, but rather which types of fat you choose so your body can benefit from them instead of suffering negative effects. Vitamins, tiny but powerful micronutrients. If protein and fat are the workers building and operating the body, vitamins are the tiny engineers working behind the scenes, coordinating thousands of biochemical reactions each day. You only need them in very small amounts, but without them, the entire system can begin to malfunction. There are 13 essential vitamins in total, divided into two major groups: fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. The fat-soluble group includes vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are stored in body fat and the liver. The water-soluble group includes vitamin C and the 8B vitamins, which are not stored for long periods and therefore must be consumed regularly through food. Vitamin A plays an important role in vision, especially the ability to see in low light, while also supporting immune health and maintaining healthy skin. It can be found in foods such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and animal liver. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, helps the body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. The body can produce vitamin D when the skin is exposed to sunlight, but it is also found in fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk. Vitamin E functions as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. It is commonly found in almonds, sunflower seeds, and vegetable oils. Vitamin K has a critical role as well. It allows blood to clot properly when needed, preventing excessive bleeding from even small injuries. Leafy green vegetables such as kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are rich sources of vitamin K. Meanwhile, the B vitamins are like a band with 8 members, each performing a specific role. They participate in converting food into energy, supporting the nervous system, producing red blood cells, and maintaining proper brain function. These vitamins are commonly found in whole grains, meat, eggs, leafy greens, and legumes. Finally, there is vitamin C, one of the most widely recognized vitamins. It supports the immune system, promotes wound healing, and helps the body produce collagen, the protein that keeps skin, blood vessels, and connective tissues strong and healthy. Fruits such as oranges, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C. History has shown the consequences of vitamin deficiency. Diseases such as scurvy, rickets, and beriberi once affected millions of people before nutritional science fully understood the role of these micronutrients. These lessons remind us that although vitamins are small, they are indispensable components of the incredibly complex biological machine we call the human body. Minerals, the invisible building blocks that keep the body running. If vitamins are the engineers coordinating biological reactions, minerals are the foundational materials that allow the body to operate steadily. It may sound strange to say that the human body needs rocks to live, but in reality, you are made from a wide range of mineral elements such as calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, and iodine. These substances do not provide energy like carbohydrates or fats, but without them, the body's entire energy-producing system would quickly become disrupted. Minerals are generally divided into two groups: major minerals, needed in larger amounts such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and chloride. And trace minerals required only in tiny amounts such as iron, zinc, iodine, and selenium, yet still playing extremely important roles. Calcium and phosphorus form the structural partnership that builds bones and teeth. About 99% of the calcium in the body is stored in the bones, forming a solid framework that allows you to stand, move, and protect vital organs. If calcium intake remains too low for long periods, bones gradually weaken and the risk of osteoporosis increases. The most common sources of calcium include milk, cheese, yogurt, tofu, and leafy green vegetables. Magnesium, on the other hand, plays a quieter but equally critical role. It participates in more than 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including the processes that allow muscles to contract and relax. When magnesium levels drop, muscles may cramp, fatigue can appear, and even heart rhythm disturbances may occur. Magnesium can be found in pumpkin seeds, almonds, spinach, black beans, and even dark chocolate. Sodium and potassium function as a partnership, controlling fluid balance and transmitting nerve signals. Thanks to their coordination, nerve cells can send electrical messages and muscles can contract at the right moment. Potassium is abundant in bananas, potatoes, avocados, and beans, while sodium is commonly found in table salt and many processed foods. Another especially important mineral is iron, the central component of hemoglobin in the blood, the molecule responsible for transporting oxygen to every cell. When the body lacks iron, symptoms such as fatigue, pale skin, and reduced concentration may appear. Good sources of iron include red meat, spinach, lentils, and fortified cereals. In addition, zinc supports the immune system and helps wounds heal faster, while iodine is necessary for the thyroid gland to produce hormones that regulate metabolism. Although minerals do not directly provide energy, they function like small components inside a complex machine. If even one piece is missing, the entire system may operate less efficiently. For this reason, a varied diet rich in natural foods is one of the simplest ways to ensure the body receives enough of these essential minerals. Carbohydrates, the body's primary fuel. Carbohydrates are often misunderstood as the cause of weight gain, but in reality, they are the main fuel that powers the body every day. When you eat foods such as rice, bread, pasta, potatoes, oats, or fruits, the digestive system breaks carbohydrates down into glucose, a simple sugar that cells can use immediately to produce energy. For the brain, glucose is almost the preferred fuel source. On average, your brain consumes about 120 grams of glucose each day just to maintain thinking, memory, and information processing. Any excess glucose that is not used right away is converted into glycogen and stored in the liver and muscles. You can think of glycogen as a kind of biological backup battery that the body can draw upon when you need extra energy, during exercise, running, climbing stairs, or other physical activities. When energy levels begin to drop, the body releases glycogen to maintain stable function. Carbohydrates are also divided into two main categories. Simple carbohydrates found in sugar, candy, soft drinks, or honey are absorbed very quickly and create a rapid spike in energy. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, brown rice, sweet potatoes, legumes, and seeds are digested more slowly, providing a steadier and longer-lasting supply of energy. This is why many nutrition experts recommend choosing carbohydrates from whole, natural foods rather than refined sugars. If the body does not receive enough carbohydrates, it is forced to switch to fats and proteins as alternative energy sources. This can lead to the breakdown of muscle tissue for fuel, leaving the body fatigued and reducing physical performance. For that reason, carbohydrates are not the enemy. When chosen from the right sources, they are the fuel that helps the body maintain energy, concentration, and endurance throughout the day. Water, the essential element of every cell. Water is often overlooked because it does not provide calories or energy like other nutrients. Yet in reality, it is the most essential element for sustaining life. About 60% of the human body is composed of water, and nearly every biological process depends on it. Water helps regulate body temperature through sweating, acting like a natural cooling system that prevents the body from overheating during exercise or in hot environments. It also serves as a lubricant for joints, allowing them to move smoothly rather than grinding like dry hinges. In addition, water is the body's primary transport medium. Blood, mostly made of water, carries oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every cell while transporting waste products out of the body through the kidneys and excretory system. Within the digestive system, water helps break down food, supports nutrient absorption, and allows food to move smoothly through the intestines. When the body becomes dehydrated, symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and reduced concentration can appear quickly. You obtain water not only by drinking it directly, but also from many water-rich foods such as watermelon, cucumbers, tomatoes, strawberries, and soups. The common rule of 8 glasses of water per day is only a general guideline. Actual needs depend on activity level, climate, and individual health conditions. A simple way to check hydration is to observe the color of your urine. If it appears too dark, the body may need more water. Fiber, the unsung hero of the digestive system. Unlike most nutrients, fiber is hardly digested or absorbed by the body. Yet this very characteristic makes it extremely important for intestinal health. Fiber acts like a cleaning crew in the digestive system, helping food move smoothly through the intestines and reducing the risk of constipation. There are 2 main types of fiber: soluble fiber and insoluble fiber, and both provide unique benefits. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the stomach. This slows digestion, helps you feel full longer, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. It can also bind to cholesterol in the intestines and help remove it from the body, thereby contributing to a lower risk of heart disease. Good sources include oats, barley, apples, citrus fruits, carrots, and beans. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, acts as a bulking agent, increasing stool volume and helping food move through the digestive tract more efficiently. Rich sources include whole grains, brown rice, nuts, fruit skins, and vegetables. Fiber also serves as food for beneficial gut bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. When these bacteria are well nourished, they can support digestion, strengthen the immune system, and even positively influence mental health through the connection between the gut and the brain. Antioxidants, the cell's defense system. Inside the body, millions of chemical reactions occur every day to generate energy and sustain life. However, these reactions also produce unstable molecules called free radicals. These molecules can attack and damage cells, acting like tiny vandals and causing a phenomenon known as oxidative stress, which has been linked to aging and many chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. This is where antioxidants play their role. They function like a protective defense team, neutralizing free radicals before they can harm cells. Many vitamins and plant compounds possess strong antioxidant properties, including vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, selenium, and hundreds of plant chemicals such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds are abundant in brightly colored foods such as blueberries, strawberries, red grapes, tomatoes, carrots, dark leafy greens, green tea, and dark chocolate. Each antioxidant protects different parts of the cell, which is why a diverse diet rich in a variety of fruits and vegetables tends to provide better protection than relying on a single supplement. Taken together, the human body resembles an incredibly complex system in which every group of nutrients plays a distinct role. No nutrient works alone. They cooperate to keep the body stable, healthy, and energized each day. Understanding how these nutrients function not only helps you make smarter dietary choices, but also allows you to care for your body more effectively over the long term. If you found this video helpful, tap the like button so more people can see it, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future videos about the human body, health, and fascinating science.